Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Fast Fix Monday. Today we're talking about the top 5 mistakes in engaging with clients. I'm Craig Mason and I have with me today the other founder of the Business Legal Lifecycle.
Hi Ron, Jeremy Stratton, good to see you.
And as I said, today we're doing the top 5 mistakes that we see businesses fail in when they're engaging with the client. So what's the first one, Jeremy?
So the first one is failing to ask the right questions. And this might seem obvious, and probably all 5 of them probably will seem obvious, but it's amazing how often people actually miss asking the right questions. So what we're talking about here is finding out what the client actually, or the customer, actually wants. So many times in business, we're so eager to show people our knowledge, our experience, and how we can actually help them, that we forget to actually ask, what does the person actually want? So asking them what they want, and then from that working out how they're going to get there, is all about asking the right questions. So Craig, number 2.
Yeah, number 2, we have not been consistent with your message. So we're all in business for, to try to help people or sell your particular product, but you shouldn't see everyone sort of as a dollar sign. Everything is, you need to be consistent with the actual message and why you're in business and why you're selling a particular product. So it's important to be consistent with that. Have it in place so everyone in the business knows about it, so they're all operating from the same sheet, and the message that you give out to your customers is consistent, and the service will go from there. So that's number 2, be consistent with your message.
Number 3 is being too ready to reduce price. A lot of people in a lot of industries are very worried that they won't get clients or customers because of their price. They might think that they charge too much. Once you've set your price, you should have no hesitation in being confident with your price and making sure that the people that you're engaging with actually value the price that you charge for your product or your service. So all too often we see business owners who are far too ready to reduce their price. They think that they, as soon as they get any sort of objection from a client, they actually object and see what their objection is. Can they not afford it? That could be a legitimate concern. Is it just that they're not value your service? Then why are you working for them? So don't be too ready to reduce your price. If you get a lot of objections from a lot of people based on price, then maybe you can think about it. But we always tell our clients, don't reduce your price too early. Make sure that you actually test out your market and make sure that you explain the value that you're actually providing to someone, because at the end of the day, that's what people want. They want value, and the good clients and customers are willing to pay for it. Craig, number 4.
Yeah, number 4 is taking on the wrong client. So at the moment we're talking about sort of the startup where you're taking on your initial clients, but taking on the wrong client can, at the beginning, and you continue with them, can be an ongoing issue. So throughout your business, you might need to have a look at the clients you've got, and some of the ones that aren't operating too well, or you don't get along with, or whatever it might be, you might want to sort of get rid of those. So taking on the wrong client, if they're not paying, if you're providing goods and you're giving them some leeway and they're still not doing that, then obviously that's going to be the wrong client. Same with services that don't value service, questioning things, value, those sorts of things. then potentially they're the wrong client. So you should always go back to your ideal client. So what you want is, your ideal client. So you want to go out and always try to get those. And if they're not right for your business, then don't take them on. It's hard sometimes to sort of knock people back, but when you're operating with your ideal client, then that's who you're looking for. So always think about that. So number 4 was taking on the wrong client. Number 5, Jerry.
Number 5, and again, this might seem obvious, but it's customer service. Whether you're a law firm, you're running a shop, no matter what type of business you've got, your customers are the ones who actually are in there to pay your bills. So what you need to do is make sure that you're providing good customer service. And you've got to remember that these days, people want experiences. So make sure that you show them that. So people want experiences that show them that they're going to have a good time, that they're going to enjoy themselves, that they're not worried about exactly what they're getting from you. And so remember that experiences are important, and customer service, no matter what you are doing in business, is vital. So Craig, that's our 5 top mistakes people make in engaging with your clients.
Excellent. Well, thank you for joining us today for Fast Fix Monday. We'll be back again on Wednesday to talk more about initial clients. So join us then. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.